Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim your rewards from the Lucky Swipe event from Discord and grow a garden too. So guys, the developer has just released this event, Lucky Swap event, and I got uncommon seed pack from this event, and I'm going to show you guys how we can claim it. We're going to go to our mailbox right here, and then you're going to go to the mail, and you will see Lucky Swipe a surprise gift, and then you just need to claim. Alright, and I got uncommon seed pack. And if you want to open the seed pack, just go to your inventory and you're going to equip it and open it like this. Okay guys, and that's how we can claim rewards from the Lucky Swap event and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!